Hey Guardies, welcome to this 1G special presentation. I'm going to add the signage tool with using self-service. You can see on my screen I've got self-service kind of in the middle over to the right hand side, and I'm just going to click on that. Once I've opened self-service up here in the upper left hand corner with those three dots, so I'm going to click on that ellipses and go to a category. In this case, the signage tool is a field tool for ordering stuff for the field. So I'm going to click on Field Tools, go down to the bottom, and you can see I've got Signage. I've already installed it once, so mine says reinstall, but I'm going to click on it anyways. It's installing it now. It takes 5 seconds, maybe a little bit longer, depending on your network speed. And after it's all installed, it shall stop spinning. And I'm going to go to my home screen. Hey, look at that. There's the Signage app. And if I click on it, I can now log in to order signage for in the field. If you need credentials or having trouble getting to that, either look for an email from Jess or talk to her about getting that completed for you. Thank you.